table. Okay.
Anna, I put 17 also now. So you say na 17. 17 also put.
I could see.
No, one mistake is there. 30, 34. I want to give her 4.
Ma'am, which table should I put?
Now which table Atharva hai?
Pranjal. Pranjal will put the table of 24.
Now which hai Atharva? Which? I put 17. Now. Atharva hai?
16 Atharva, 8 is over.
16.
Ma'am, Jani. Ma'am, which one should I put? You will put the table of 15, very easy, no?
Anger తీసుకురారా. ఫస్ట్ అందులో మళ్ళీ కాదు ఎప్పుడైనా బిగ్ లెటర్ దెన్ స్మాల్.
16 also put. Atharva.
So next
Now
which
which?
one?
Now
23.
23 you say no to me. I put it first up.
Yes.
And I put in the right. Just a second. Which?
Ma'am, I sent the 20 table.
6 and 27 remaining. So can I put Atharva 27?
So that one. Ma'am, can I put 29?
And I am putting the 12.
What about others? What about others? I can't see it. What about others? Can't hear who's speaking this.
Hello ma'am.
Yes, Bachcha.
Yes ma'am. I am Tanishka. I am putting the table at 29.
Okay.
27. Yes, 27. I put that all you say no.
Very good.
Now which?
29. Ma'am, I put the table of 29 in the chat.
Ma'am, can I put the cube of 30 to 40? Hello ma'am. 29 also. Hello ma'am. Can I put the till 30 to 40? Ma'am, 29 put it.
Yes, we can start.
Ma'am, 29 put it.
Ma'am, okay, now we have 3 students joining now. What about others?
3 students, 33 no?
Here there, no?
No, why maths OBT was MCQ? Why not writing it was? Because
Yes,
all
ma'am.
OBTs are writing only, no?
Ma'am, I put what? Cubes. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes.
maths OBT, why was it MCQ?
Easy, no, to solve.
Yes, I got yes.
Ma'am,
But easy, but maths was writing only, no?
Ma'am, the Google form gave me 2 wrong, but that was right only.
I also got one wrong, but it was right.
Yeah, ma'am, but was technical glitch.
Yes, that one.
Yes.
That one was 81.
Okay.
But answer was 90.
But marks are given, no, so don't
Yes,
worry, no?
I got 9, but I should get 10. There.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Ma'am,
Anishka, did not get your paper.
Ma'am, my Atharva.
Second one.
I skin OBT, no?
Not OBT,
Submit it again.
I did not get it.
Down in second one. It is showing the wrong answer at 81.
Which one? OBT?
Yes.
The question is, ma'am, I have doubt in second question.
Yes, second question.
that one.
I am saying that car travels at 15 meter per second for 90 minutes. How many kilometers does it travel? I put 81 kilometers.
I also 81, but it was 90.
Yes, that should be wrong.
Me too.
Okay, wait. Can you see the share screen? The screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've written this.
These were notes, no? You given maths.
Ma'am, mine completed.
Me too.
Ma'am, mine not completed.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is remaining?
No, I completed till.
I am not done because I thought it was sent by Mudra teacher. No. Notes you can do, no? Only instructions is offline on
I
that.
done till 15th page.
Today from which sum are we solving? Wait. So, children, I had written in the announcement also, no, that notes will be uploaded and
You said. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It was. And then PTA also was given the that announcement. Yes.
Ma'am, I have completed half only. Yes, ma'am, I have also completed question number 9.
Ma'am,
Some exercise by first also done.
Yes.
Some.
And I done
17.2. We were solving 0.2. In 17.2, we had completed it with sum. You told question number 5 as homework. We completed till 6th one. Since you told us 6th one is okay.
Yes.
Okay. So 6th one is not there in this also, I suppose. No, ma'am, it is there.
It is there. It's there. One, it is there.
No need to solve that, it is fine. Seventh one is what? Triangle, in a right angle triangle. Right angle. Correct. Okay. So from here we are supposed to solve, but just go through these sums, those were done, so that in case we doubt, then we can discuss the questions accordingly.
Ma'am, I done that.
Ma'am, I have not done.
I have done that.
So Tanmay, you can copy it later on.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you will just go through these sums, see the question, see the answer, and again if you are having any doubt, you will be solving this. I mean, we will be solving. Ma'am?
Now we will see the sum now and see the answer. It is correct or not.
Yes, you will ask me if there is any doubt. The sums are correct. You will ask me if there is any doubt.
Okay, ma'am. Slowly now.
Is there any this seventh one? Sum wise we will go. Seventh one, is there any doubt?
Ma'am, no doubt.
Read the question and see this. Any doubt? Then tell. No doubt.
No doubt.
Do we have to write B? Yes, you will have to write it down, but not now.
Okay.
We will not time solving the sums now. This was uploaded so that time is not lost. Now, 8th one, hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle is 12 centimeter. Find its area. So what did we do? We have the hypotenuse as 12 centimeter.
Theorem.
The next is we took both the sides as x. Correct, no? We took both the sides, this one and this one as x. And then we solved it using the Pythagoras theorem. So you can see x square is equal to xy square plus y square.
Please wait for 1 minute.
It's because
I'm writing.
ma'am, we can do. You just see when I'm explaining. If there is any doubt, then you ask me now itself. Writing part shall be done later because the notes are there in the classroom.
Yes. So what? We will must see the questions today. And
If there is any doubt, then we will be discussing. Okay, so xz square given to us as 12 square, but xy square is not given. So it is x, or we are taking it as x, and then we are solving it, wherein we get x is 72, root of 72. square root to find the 72 ka, we don't have anything. So what do? We bifurcate it as 36 multiplied, which is 6 root 2. 36 ka square is 6. 6 6 is 36. Yes. So 6 root 2 x. X square is root of 72. So x will be, we are breaking x into 36 multiplied by 2. Why 36 multiplied by 2? So that we get the square of at least 1. And we can divide also, no, by 2 to get square of 36. That is what? 6 into 6, 2 into 2, like that we get the squares, right? Yes. So here I can't divide anything. I can't divide this. It's a square root. Uska see, the square root of 81 will be what? 9. 9. 9 the 81. 9. But here 82 ka square root, is there any square root? What? 8 8 is 64. Yes. 9 9 1 81. 10 10 100 11 120. We don't have any square in between. 72 roots 72 ka. We don't have it. And hence we are breaking breaking that into 36 multiplied by 2, which is 6 root 2. Okay? And because xy and yz is taken as x, so both will be having the same root, that is 6 root 2. Okay? Till here everything is clear? Yes. And an area of triangle xyz. Now we have half into base into height. So what is the base? 6 root 2. Height is also 6 root 2. So we will be we will be making it further. We will be simplifying it further, and we get 3 into 6 into 2. Where did I get this 2 from? This 2 is because root 2 and root 2 gives me 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 gives me 2. So root nikal jata hai. The root is no more there. Root. Understood this point? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. You see my board also? I'm sharing from 2 devices. Can you see my board? Yes. Yes, ma'am. And so which one we have to see? Board or that writing? That you decide which one you want to see. Root 2 multiplied by root 2. That means this 2 root, whenever there are any 2 roots, no? Then we take it as 1 root. 2. Okay. So if it was 3 root 3 multiplied by root 3. Oh, but the number has to be same. But the number has to be same. Then it will be 3. Teacher, what if it's root 2 multiplied by root 3? We cannot do it. Both roots should be same. Yes. Then only we can write it like that. So now it is 3. Why? Because we simplified this part. 3 root 2 multiplied by 6 root 2. So what am I doing? 3 and 6 is already there. So I write 3 into 6 and then root 2 into root 2, which is 3 into 6 into 2. Now if it was root 2 into root 3, I can write it as root 6. Clear? Okay, ma'am. Clear. Ma'am, actually, 5 minutes ago, I was disconnected. 5 minutes ago. No electricity. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 gives you 2. Okay. Any number or any square root which is multiplied twice will give you the same number which is there inside. Right? Now, suppose, now in this what have we done? You can see the other screen where an area is to be found. So area is half into 6 root 2 into 6 root 2. So this 2 and this can be cut. This cannot be done anything. Here you cannot cut. 2 hai bol ke cut nahi karna hai. That will be wrong. So here 2 and 3. That is 2. We we will get 3. Okay, fine. 2 3s are 6. Then you get 3 and then root 2, excuse me. Now you find 6 80 is 36 and 36 centimeters square. Okay, ma'am. Now, yes, ma'am. See the other screen. The next sum is the triangle is given 16 centimeter, 4.4, 6 centimeter. 4.4 is the height. That is question number 11. Find the missing values. And the sum is very easy. I know you all can easily do it. Take height, then solve it. You get the answer.
Which sum?
Yes.
11.
B1 is yes. So you just have to find using the formula half into base into height. Okay. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, and then you get the height. The next one is
The more measurement down. Can you take your more measurement down? Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Which exercise? C1 is done. B1 and E1 is given as homework. Correct?
Yes.
17.2 only. Yes, yes. 17.2, 11th one. 11th question. Any doubt in that, students? Ma'am, I got read that.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Formula. Area.
I got the first answer as 13.2. Is it correct?
I'm half into base.
Got height.
40. Do we have to do this now?
Into height. You will copy it from the classroom. It's there in the classroom. Notes are uploaded in the classroom. Okay. The next one, 12th one. Area of the parallelogram is to be found out base into height. So you have the formula already that we have written down also, and the teacher has also given the formula in the notes. So base is 5.8, height is 5 centimeters, area is to be found. So area of parallelogram is
I got the answer. Area.
okay. So teacher has solved the A1, B1 and C1. The remaining two are given as homework.
Homework.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
In the students, how did you get this half into base into height for a rectangle triangle? Any idea? I told you I will be explaining this to you later on. It's a bit different, right? No?
Now,
See the other camera. This is my parallelogram, and when I'm giving a diagonal here, it gives me a right angle triangle. Correct? This is my right angle triangle. Yes or no?
yes.
Correct? Now, what is the area of a parallelogram?
And what is PM?
PM. Where is it?
Oh, PM. In the question it is given find area of parallelogram A and B is PM.
Find the area of the parallelogram whose base is and the corresponding height. Okay, PM is the side which you need to find out. That is the 14th one. Just pay attention here first. A, B, C, D. This is my parallelogram. Now you can see area of a parallelogram says base into height. This is my base and this is my height. Correct? Now, how did I get the area of right angle as? What is the area of a right angle triangle? The one which
Half
we are
into
doing now.
base into
formula and right angle triangle ka formula clear?
Yes.
Fine. So now we move to the 13th sum. In the 13th sum, it is given base is 18.5 centimeter and corresponding height is 10 centimeter. We all know that area is base into height. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. So we have 18.5 into 10, which is 185 centimeter square. Till here, all the sums are clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
So the next
And
one
do we have
is,
to write this now?
Atharva, take it from the classroom, no bacha. It's there in the classroom. Upload it. The
So
notes
ma'am,
are
you are
uploaded.
explaining, no?
And do we have to upload also?
After writing not to upload, just write it down. I will tell you when to upload the notes. Okay? Atharva, you pay attention when I'm explaining so that the sums are clear. As I am not solving on the board, so I want you all to pay attention properly. Okay? The question says PQRS is a parallelogram. है ना? And then they are saying QR is 25 centimeter, SR is 20 centimeter, and PT is given as 10 centimeter. They are asking us to find the area of the parallelogram and PM. PM is the side PM. So here I have the side. This one is my PM. You can see the line is being drawn. That is what we have to find. Area of the parallelogram and PM. Now how am I going to find the area of the parallelogram? Base into height. So which is my base? I will not take PR as my base. My base will be full QR. The whole of QR will be my base. And what is my height in this? My height is P. That is this line. This line is my height. So QR is my side or base and PT is my height. Okay. So QR is given to me as what? 25 centimeter. It is already given to us in the textbook. And PT is given to me as 10 centimeter. So I could easily find the area of the parallelogram. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we have to find area of the parallelogram, which is again base into height. But which area of the parallelogram? We are finding the area of the parallelogram, this one.
Yes.
Okay. And that will be SR into PM. So we have
SR into PM.
yes, SR and PM. This is PM. So this is my parallelogram. PTRS. This becomes my parallelogram. Okay. And SR. SR is my base. So SR is already given to me, which is 20. And PM. PM is given to me as nothing. So they are not given me the this thing, height of the parallelogram. But I know that area of the parallelogram is going to be 250 centimeter square, which I have already found out.
Yes.
So it is going to be the whole parallelogram is going to have the same area. Okay. So 250 centimeter square is equal to 20, that is SR, multiplied by PM. And to find PM, we have to further do this thing 250 upon 20, which is 12.5 centimeter. Now students, go through this sum, the whole sum. Again, you have any doubt? How did we get this? How did we get that? Please do ask. Just go through the notes. And that is the reason I'm showing you the notes, so that you can go through. If any doubt, then that can be discussed.
Alright.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So now, everybody is clear, no? There is no doubt for anybody, right?
Ma'am, I not understood second one.
Second one. See, the parallelogram is going to remain the same. Okay, area of parallelogram is going to remain the same. Now, what is being given here is base into height. So, base, what are we going to take? We are going to take SR as the base. Right? And my height will be this one. PM will be my height. If I'm taking this whole parallelogram, that is P, T, S, R wala. So then this is how it will be. Okay.
Now, base is what? SR. So I took that same formula, base into height. So SR is my base, PM is my height, and area is going to remain the same, 250. Okay? So now you can solve the sum and you will get the side PM.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So now 15th one is the same like we did now. The same type like we did now. Okay. And the next one, that is 16th one, teacher has solved that. We will just discuss that part. So 16th one, you can see there is a shaded portion given. This is my shaded portion and they have given me one triangle, but the whole is a rectangle. The whole ABCD is a rectangle. Correct, no? Wherein they have different base and height, or I should be saying the length and breadth is given to me. Now, if I want to find the whole area of the shaded region, if I want to find the area of the shaded region, I have to find the area of rectangle as well as the area of the triangle. And those two, the difference between those two will be the area of the shaded region.
And for minus, no?
Yes, minus. Okay, so what did I do? Area of the rectangle,
L into
ABCD.
B.
The length into breadth. So we have 12 into 7, right? Length is 12 and breadth is 7. So we got 84 centimeters
84.
square. Now area of triangle ADE. We know it is a right angle triangle. And so the formula is half into base into height. So base is what?
B by
7. And height is 4.
4.
So you get area of triangle ADE. Now area of shaded portion. Because the shaded portion is a bit different, I have to find both of this and then the minus. After reducing, whatever I get will be the area of the shaded portion, which is area of rectangle minus area of triangle ADE. That is 84 minus 14, 70 centimeters square. Anybody having any doubt in this
How
part?
14 came? 7 will come, no?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
How 14? Yes, 2 cut now, yes.
No doubt? Nobody is having
No.
any doubt?
No doubts, ma'am.
So here one more sum is solved. The B1 is solved. I suppose the C1 is given as homework. Yes, C1 is given as homework. So here we have one more, that is the parallelogram is given to us. And there are two different lines being made. But they want us to find the area of the shaded region only. And the shaded region is this part. Correct? This whole part is my shaded region. Can you see the cursor?
Yes.
Great. So ABCD is parallelogram and area of shaded region will be area of the parallelogram, which is the formula is base into height, and area of the square, that is side into
Side by
side.
side.
But area of triangle is also to be found. This one is a square. Okay, this one is a right angle triangle, and this whole thing is a parallelogram. Are you able to understand?
How parallelogram? Triangles are not joined, no?
This whole ABCD is a parallelogram.
Okay.
Okay, and this is my square. And then you have your right angle triangle also dono side mein.
Yes.
So first we will have to find the area of parallelogram, base into height. Base is given as 10, and then height is given as 10. Okay,
60.
and then 16 and 10. So it becomes
160.
160. Area of square is what? Side
Side
into
by
side. So we have this 10 and this 10.
100.
Yes. So area of square is 100. And area of triangle, again BEC.
1 upon 2 multiply length into, no, h into b.
Base is given to me as 6. Height is given to me as 10. So we have half into base into height, that is half into b into h, and then put the numbers half into 6 into 10, which is 30 meters square. So area of shaded region will be this plus this, and then you get 100 plus 30, which is 130.
Yes.
Clear?
Ma'am, board is not visible.
Visible, ma'am is showing on the notebook text.
The other one is visible, no, Atharva?
Yes.
It's visible.
That is what I am showing. And homework is given as the 16th one is to be done as homework. Okay. See, in 16th one the square is given, which is 6 meters. Square is what?
Ma'am, in 21st term,
We are in 16th one. You are in 21st one.
ma'am, I have doubt in 21st term.
31. We don't have 31.
Where? Shaded region.
Shaded region, okay. That is 21 in your old textbook.
No.
No, new it is 21. New textbook also 21.
In old textbook it is 22.
Ma'am, means the question is ABCD is a rectangle. AB is equal to 9 centimeter. BC is equal to PC. Now we are doing 16th one. 16th. What is 16th one we are doing?
Yes.
16th one we are
But actually I was doing 21st. That's why I doubt.
C1 we are going to do as homework. And C1 is what? Area of parallelogram. That is 20 into 30 will be your area of parallelogram base into height. Area of square is 36 centimeter square because 6 meters is the side. So side square will be 36 meter square centimeter. And the area of shaded region will be 600 minus 36. 564. 564. But that is given as homework, so you need to solve it. And then we have the next one, area of rhombus. How many of you completed that?
I don't tell 16.
So area of rhombus is being given. Correct? And the area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. That is what is the area of rhombus, right? A formula for area of rhombus, that is half into product of diagonals. And what are the diagonals given to us? The diagonals given to us are, this one is the 18th one which we are doing. 18th one, a half into 12 into 8.5. 8.5. So you need to write the formula and then you need to solve the sum. This is clear?
Yes.
The next one says, again, the perimeter of a rhombus is, we are not going to solve that one.
I got an 18 half 51 centimeter square. There. 18.
Ma'am, why we are not doing rhombus?
Rhombus 17th and 18th one to be done. 17th one says find the area of a rhombus whose side is 7.5 and altitude is 3.5. So area is equal to base into height. That is also one of the formula. So 7.5 into 3.5. The 18th one is 12 and area to be found wherein the diagonals are given. That is half into D1 into D2. Okay. 19th one, the problem is there is a lot many things to be done wherein you have to use the Pythagoras theorem, then you have to find the perimeter and then the length. So we are not doing that. Same with
Now
20th
20, no?
one.
Not
Same with 20th one also. It's a bit this thing, so we are not solving 20th. So now we stop this exercise, we stop till 18.
no, 21.
After that,
21,
21, 22,
23, 24, 25, 29 it is.
So who all want to do no solve, Bachula? I will not stop you people. You solve bindas. Okay? But we will be stopping question here only. Fine. Yeah.
17.3, no?
Everybody is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
17.3, the formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi. Yes. 2 pi. Or pi d. If it is diameter, it is pi d. Okay.
Ma'am, but in area method we will use pi d, right? In this one.
Means where
According to the sum, we will use it. If diameter is given, then I will use the second formula, that is pi d. If if radius is given, then I will use 2 pi r. Okay.
ma'am in radius also we can use the pi d, means we can double it. 4.2.
Yes, you can. But normally when we have radius, no, use that radius wala formula.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have, see, you will have to change that radius. You will have to multiply it with 2 and then find the diameter.
Yeah.
So we don't do that. We directly use the formula. So 17, find the circumference and area of a circle of radius 10.5 centimeter. So circumference is to be found. Circumference for formula is 2 pi r. And they are given as radius, so we will be using that formula, 2 pi r.
Ma'am, in the bracket they have written use pi as 3.14.
The second one, Atharva, why are you running before us? Can you see the can you see my whiteboard?
Yeah.
Yes.
How to say whiteboard, no?
Here, circumference last and area. Circumference is what? Circumference is, because radius is given, so we will be using 2 pi r. And area will be pi r square. So value of pi can be 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. Now when are we going to use 3.14?
Ma'am, your board is little bit blurred.
Ma'am, but we can read it.
Yeah, Miss Mandaval is clear.
Right. So 3.14 will be used if at all it is being told to be used. Otherwise, we will be using 22 by 7. Okay. Now, what is being given? The circumference. Find the circumference and area of radius. So radius is given as what? 10.5. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5. Now what is the benefit here? You can multiply 2 and 10.5. Correct?
Yes.
So 10.5 into 2. This one decimal will come here. And this one decimal coming here means 21. So 20 into 22 upon 7, 3s are. Understood?
Yes.
Idea how to solve this sum.
66.
And then area will be pi r square. That is equal to 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5, which is equal to, solve it and tell me the answer. 262.5. Yeah. Ma'am, 262.5. I got the answer. Ma'am, but I not understood.
262.5.
I not understood how to find area. Area is pi r square. Area. So pi is not 22 upon double time. R square मतलब 10.5 to 2.5. Your voice is good. My voice is breaking because I am using two devices. Okay. R square. Pi r square means what? Pi, that is 22 upon 7, into r, which is 10.5, which is given to us multiplied by 10.5. Yeah. Okay, pi r square. R square means r को double time लिखना है. That is r into r. Yes. It's into x square. Correct, no? Yeah, ma'am. See, r into r, 10.5 into 10.5. Then further bifurcate that and you will be getting the answer. Okay, ma'am. Everybody got the answer? Yes, no, what? I'm not able to hear anything. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So everybody is clear with how to solve this kind of sums now? Ma'am, just a second. We want to be done this homework, huh, bachcho? Okay, ma'am. Can I rub the board? Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, done. So, second one, we have been given the diameter. We have two formulas. That is, circumference can be 2 pi r or the other formula is pi d. That is my other formula. Correct? Two formulas we have. Circumference के लिए either pi d or 2 pi r. So now what are we going to do? We will be taking. Can I have the first half? And ma'am, I have one more doubt. That in area, how it came 25 into 10.5? This I just further simplified. No, ma'am, means how it came 25? 22 into 1.5, just check whether the answer is correct. Ma'am, I got the answer when I multiplied 22 into 1.5 as 33. Oh. 33. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer 4.2. 33, I got. So is it 346.5? Yeah. I also got 346.5. 46, that. Yes, I also got same. I'm adding long multiplication. So I hope you people have completed the can I drop this? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Very long multiplication. Ma'am, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, I done 10.5 multiplied 10.5 multiplied 22 divided by 7. You should shorten it to simplify it one shit. This multiplication. Okay. The diameter is given in the second one. Diameter is given to us as 42 centimeters. Correct, no? That is what the diameter is given to us. Meter, yes. Not centimeter. So now, the formula says pi d. Circumference can be pi d. So what am I doing? You can use pi as 3.14 for the b one.
రికార్డ్
B1 you can use
రికార్డ్ ఐటమ్
3.14 as
స్విచ్
But
చేసుకోండి.
here we are going to use the same one, 22 upon 7. Why?
ఇంకా
Because
మార్క్స్
42 is divisible by
రాయబడుతుంది
7.
కూర్చోండి.
If I take 3.4, it will be a bit more difficult for you to solve. So here 7, how much is 42? 6. Correct?
ఏ
And now
మంచిగా అర్థమే కాకపోతే
22. 132. 132. Correct?
Yes.
Now, area. Are you all able to see code properly?
Yes, ma'am. It is correct. Yes.
For area, it is pi r square. But we have been given t, not r. Correct, no?
Yes.
So what are we going to do? We will waste our time to simplify that, or
एक एक पेज
we will directly write
खत्म
42 upon
जगह
multiplied by 42 upon 2.
अभी कभी
R
से
square है ना? So
5
r into r.
6
R को same
7
42
8
upon 2.
9
Add
10
करो, so you get r.
10 तक लिख देने का
Ma'am, LCM.
Here,
Here LCM, no? Why?
ये 7, this is my 7. This is my diameter.
Yes.
This is my, so यहाँ पे x and x. So 2x is my radius, right? But now what am I having? I am having the full diameter. 2x upon x. उसके बदले में what am I doing? Upon 2. For finding the radius, the diameter upon 2. That is how you are going to find the radius. Radius is diameter upon 2. That also we have as suppose. Okay. So here what am I doing? Instead of solving as diameter upon 2 and then putting the numbers, I am just writing 42 upon 2 and 42 upon 2. Why? Because it becomes easy to simplify in this case. 7 6 are. So this much of simplification is already done.
And ma'am, 2 and 22. Yes, 2 on the 11.
So 33 into, ma'am, it is 462.
43 into 42.
33 into 42, no?
Yes.
So somewhat.
I got 1386.
Yes, ma'am. I also got.
1386.
Ma'am, can you keep board little down?
And I also got at 1386.
1386.
Me too, ma'am.
The second B1, use 3.14 to solve the sum. Okay?
And we will solve and tell you the answer, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, very good. Third one and fourth sum. Third sum and fourth sum, be solving as homework.
Ma'am, what is area of circle of diameter?
Ma'am, area of circle is 55.44.
Okay. Of diameter, no? But the diameter is given. The measurement is given, no? 42 meters.
42.
And they are the diameters. Meter is not the line passing through the circle, pura. And radius is the half. So just tell me what is the circumference and the area of the B1.
And the circumference of B1 is 376.8.
Okay.
I am finding area.
Ma'am, could you please tell the question? I have old textbook. Find the circumference and area of a circle of diameter 60 centimeter. And you are supposed to pi it as 3.1.
And what is the area?
Area, I don't know, you will
radius you said, no?
Radius.
Can you please repeat it?
Find the circumference and area of a circle of diameter 60 centimeter. Use pi as 3.14. 17.3. Second
Ma'am,
question.
perimeter is 188.4.
Yeah, ma'am. 188.4 is the circumference.
Yes, circumference.
188.4. 188.4. Circumference.
And area and
What
height.
is the
Just a second, I'm finding. Ma'am, I got as 11,304.
there is some I see.
Yeah.
3.14 upon 2 you did. 60 into 3.14 upon 2.
Ma'am, we'll do 60 upon 2, right?
0.14 into 60 upon 2 into 1.
Got 1, 2.
So 3.14 into 30 into 30 becomes 314 into
And I got 94.2. Into 900 we will do, no?
Instead of doing that, you can write 314 into 9.
Yes. Into 30 multiply 3.
Ma'am, I got 2,826 square, meter square, centimeter square.
And I got 2,826.
Yes, same only.
I also got same. Yes, ma'am, I also got the same. 2,820.
Can you see what is written on the board here? This side.
And move it left side. Move it left.
Now proper.
Yes. Left. Yes, now proper.
What is proper? You want to see?
No.
So we can stop here today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I do prayer? Can I do prayer, Tanmay? Yes, bro.
Can I do pranjal?
He doesn't always in other lecture. Ma'am, may I do prayer, Tanmay?
Can I hear? Ma'am, can I?
Today.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I Tanmay? Ma'am, may I do Tanmay? Yes, bro. Ma'am, may I do Tanmay? Yes, bro.
Tanmay, but start the prayer.
Yeah, ma'am. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start. School is over today. Before we go, we want to say thank you, Father. Thank you for the food you gave. Thank you for the friends you gave. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. My eyes are lost.
Let it not close it. Busy there in the toilet.
He's there, he's there.
Eh? What are you doing? You're not closing your eyes.
I'm here.
Thank you, friends. Take care.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Will be meeting on Monday after, no?
When you people will come, we will see them. Will meet.
Yes.
During the
Monday our lecture. What?
Ah.
tell you what
What were you saying? What were you saying now?